Hello guys, how to fix KB5029351 update failed to install and Windows 11 22 S2 update. And if you are unable to install Windows update, then first workaround to fix this issue is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box and here execute services.msc to open services windows in Windows 11. And in services windows, look for background intelligence transfer service BITS services and right click on it and choose start. If you found already in a start mode, then simply restart it. Thereafter apply a double click on it and a startup type choose automatic and press apply and OK to save the changes. The another one services you required to be update is Windows update services. Right click on it and choose start, and if you found in a start mode, then simply restart it and the startup type should apply and OK to save the changes. The next workaround to fix this Windows update, we go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows first execute sfcs scan now command to check any corrupted file system, and thereafter run this Windows update components command. All this command path will also available in my video's description. You may copy from there. Simply one by one copy it and paste it in command prompt Windows, and don't forget to press enter on each time. Thereafter restart your system. Then another method to fix this issue is go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key. Here go to system settings from the left pane and go to troubleshoot from the right side. Other troubleshooters and run the Windows update troubleshooters. To fix any Windows update related issue, this tool will definitely resolve your issue. The another one is clean boot your system. Go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type msconfig and press OK. System configuration window will open. Here go to services tab from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and choose disable all button. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to your start menu and choose run command box, and in run command box type ncpa.cpl, no ncpa.cpl, not comma, and it will open your network connections, available network connection. Right click on your network connections, choose properties. Here go to select internet protocol version 4 and choose properties, and under use the following DNS server address. Preferred DNS server should be 8888 and alternate DNS server should be 8844 and press OK. And check whether your Windows update error resolved. Definitely it will be resolved.